Prepare to be crushed by the sheer scale of nature. Today, we leave behind the ordinary and explore the absolute titans of our planet. From colossal ocean giants to ancient sprawling forest networks, we are counting down the top 10 heaviest living organisms on Earth. Let's measure the true weight of life. Roaming the vast African savanna, the African bush elephant is the undisputed heavyweight champion of modern land animals. According to authoritative wildlife databases, massive adult males can weigh up to 10.5 tons, which is roughly equivalent to 3 large vehicles. Their heavy bodies are supported by pillar-like legs, perfectly designed to carry this immense weight across long dry distances. They spend up to 18 hours a day, constantly eating hundreds of pounds of tough vegetation, just to maintain their enormous biological mass. They use their powerful, highly muscular trunks to effortlessly uproot heavy trees and secure their meals, reshaping the entire landscape around them to sustain their massive frames. Gliding silently through the warm oceans, the whale shark claims the title of the heaviest fish on our planet. Marine biologists have documented these gentle giants reaching staggering weights of over 20 to 40 tons. Despite their intimidating size and massive wide mouths, they are entirely harmless filter feeders. They swim slowly near the surface, processing thousands of gallons of seawater every single hour to capture tiny plankton and small fish. Their beautiful, starry skin pattern stretches over a massive frame of thick cartilage. This cartilaginous skeleton is crucial as it allows them to remain highly buoyant and maneuverable despite carrying such incredible mass through the endless blue waters. Plunging into the dark, crushing abyss, the sperm whale is a heavily built predator designed for high-pressure survival. Adult males are true ocean titans, weighing up to 50 tons. Their massive, block-shaped heads contain the largest brain of any known animal and are filled with a specialized heavy oil called spermaceti. This unique biological fluid helps them precisely regulate buoyancy as they dive thousands of feet down to hunt giant squids in the midnight zone. Their robust, highly muscular tails generate incredible thrust, pushing their massive heavy bodies back up to the surface to breathe after exhausting underwater battles. Navigating the freezing waters of the highest northern latitudes, the bowhead whale is an absolute marvel of heavy biological insulation. To survive in the coldest environments on Earth, they possess a layer of thick blubber that can be up to 20 inches thick, allowing them to weigh a staggering 100 tons. Their massive dark bodies are equipped with a huge, heavy, bow-shaped skull. They use this specialized bone structure to physically smash through solid sea ice from below just to take a breath. Their incredibly slow metabolism allows them to live for over 2 centuries, silently carrying their immense weight through the freezing darkness. Often called the greyhound of the sea, the fin whale combines astonishing speed with mind-boggling weight. As the second longest animal on the planet, authoritative marine records show they can weigh between 74 to 114 tons. Despite carrying this immense mass, their sleek, aerodynamic bodies allow them to sustain high speeds while migrating across vast ocean basins. They feature a unique asymmetrical coloration on their jaws, which they use to strategically circle and trap massive schools of small fish before engulfing them. They consume tons of food daily to constantly fuel their heavy, fast-moving, and highly energetic bodies. The North Pacific right whale is a slow, incredibly robust giant of the sea, earning their name during the whaling era because they were considered the correct whale to target. These heavily built mammals can weigh up to 100 tons. Their massive bodies are extraordinarily thick and rich in dense blubber, which unfortunately made them highly buoyant and an easy target in the past. Today, they are among the rarest whales. They feed by slowly swimming, with their enormous mouths wide open, using long baleen plates to effectively filter tiny copepods from the cold waters to sustain their enormous bulk. Behold, the blue whale, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the entire animal kingdom. Authoritative, scientific measurements confirm that these majestic ocean rulers can reach an incomprehensible weight of up to 200 tons. To put that into perspective, their tongue alone weighs as much as an entire elephant, and their massive heart is the size of a small vehicle. Their colossal bodies require up to 4 tons of tiny krill every single day just to survive. They are the true definition of a biological titan, creating deep, powerful sound waves that travel for thousands of miles across the vast underwater world. Standing like an ancient monument in the mountains of California, the giant sequoia is a breathtaking example of massive natural engineering. The largest living single-stem tree by volume is known as General Sherman. Forestry experts calculate the sheer weight of this single, massive living structure to be roughly 1,900 tons. This incredible mass is completely supported by a massive trunk that is 36 feet wide at the base. They survive for thousands of years, building extraordinarily thick, fire-resistant bark that successfully protects their heavy wooden core from natural disasters and centuries of changing climates. Hidden in the mountains of Utah, a single organism brilliantly disguises itself as an entire forest. Known as Pando, this massive grove of quaking aspen trees is actually a single male clonal colony connected by a massive shared underground root system. Genetic testing confirms that all 47,000 tree trunks are genetically identical parts of one single living organism. Scientists estimate the collective weight of Pando to be a staggering 6,000 tons, making it the heaviest known plant on Earth. This ancient organism has survived for thousands of years by constantly regenerating new stems to support its immense subterranean network. 奥斯托亚蜜环菌. Beneath the soil of the Malheur National Forest in Oregon lies the humongous fungus, scientifically known as Armillaria ostoyae. This dark, parasitic fungus spreads its massive network of root-like structures through the earth, slowly attacking and consuming tree roots. Authoritative biological studies reveal that this single, continuous organism covers over 2,300 acres. While it is incredibly difficult to precisely weigh a subterranean network, scientists estimate its total mass could reach anywhere from 7,000 to an astonishing 35,000 tons, making it the undisputed heaviest living organism ever discovered on our planet. From towering trees to deep ocean rulers, the sheer mass of these living organisms proves the unbelievable power of nature. Which of these heavy titans shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Animal World for more epic nature discoveries. See you next time.